this assessment, we're asked how we would go from a chloroalkane to a nitrile. And this is important if we think about synthesis. We're learning all these reactions that you can do with nitriles. How do we get them in molecules in the first place? Well, this one is a throwback reaction to when we were doing substitution and elimination. And so we'll actually have a short video here. That's rare for me. We've got a good leaving group. We want to add a cyano group. So we would want the cyano group to be a good nucleophile. Probably going to have a counter ion with it. And since we're doing an SN2 reaction, let's use a polar aprotic solvent. So sodium cyanide in THF would do the SN2 reaction on screen. Now, my son was talking about the lack of subscribers to the channel. And he said to me the other day, he said, "Dad, why would people subscribe? All your videos are there. What do they need to be notified of when new videos are added?" Now, obviously, as I'm putting these videos up for the first time, there might be some notifications that new content is added. But he said in the long run, what new content are you going to offer students on a day-to-day basis? And so my question to you is, what content would you want, right? If there were going to be things that were sort of on demand, live streaming, whatever, what content might you as a student want to accompany these solution videos? So if you have any thoughts of what you might like to hear from me or from Adam or from any presenter, what types of things would you like to see on this channel where if you were a subscriber, you'd get an alert to say, hey, here's this thing that's up, and maybe you'd go and watch it. Obviously, what I'm asking is, what do you want to watch? It's up to you. It's your world. Reply using the comment feature and let me know what on-demand things you would want to be notified about if you were a subscriber. And while you're at it, go ahead and subscribe.